Hey there fellow vloggers and content creators! Welcome to this exciting tutorial where we'll dive into the world of creative masks using Filmora 12. I'm Aldrene and today I'll show you how to add that extra flair to your videos. Filmora 12 has been a fantastic video editing tool for a while now, and with recent updates, they've introduced the effect masks that takes your creativity to the next level. If you want to watch my video about that, you can click the link in this video and also on the description below. So, let's explore the mask tool of Filmora 12 to make your summer vlogs and content more engaging. To begin with, import your video clips or any video from Filmora's stock media. Add it to your editing timeline, double click it, and head over to the mask section. Here you'll find a plethora of options to make your video clips stand out. From basic shapes to the new pen tool, which you can create any freeform shape masks your imagination desires. With the pen tool, you're no longer limited to predefined shapes. Trace any object or subject in your footage. You just need to add another video clip for overlaying and Filmora will work its magic. You can also tweak your drawn mask, like adjusting its size by extending, blur strength, and also its opacity. Look at that! A simple mask already adds a touch of uniqueness to your video. But wait, there's more! Now let's talk about blending modes. This is where the real magic happens. Experiment with various blending modes and you'll be amazed at how they transform your clips. Each blending mode gives a distinct look and feel to your videos, so don't hesitate to get creative and find the perfect match for your content. The possibilities are endless when you combine masks and blending modes. You can use them for transitions between scenes, emphasizing specific elements, or even to create engaging intros and outros. Remember, it's all about exploring and having fun. Play around with different shapes, blending modes, and timings. There are no limits to your creativity. And that's it! You've now learned the basics of using masks and blending modes in Filmora 12 to create eye-catching effects for your vlogs and content. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Now it's your turn to go out there and bring your vlogs to life with these amazing mask features. If you have any questions, or if you want to see more tutorials, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.